So I'm Noa Dowling. I work with BBC Audio, so in Cardiff. We've got places in, well, I say we, they also work in Bristol and London as well. So we do stuff for Radio 3, for Sounds and World Service. So what I've been doing is mainly researching. So I've been researching all the facts behind the Cuban Missile Crisis, behind Kennedy, Kenneth O'Donnell, Tom something, and Nikita Khrushchev for the Cuban Missile Crisis for the Bomb 3, the season's coming out soon, because my line manager's working on it, so she's been making me do the research, because we're hoping to get Nikita Khrushchev's great-granddaughter, or his granddaughter, or the daughter of Robert Kennedy on, as to, if we can't get her, then we'll get Kenneth O'Donnell's daughter. So I've been doing that, doing research for the Nepali tea industry, just because she's also making a program on tea. Got to do an outside broadcast for the lunchtime concerts in Bristol. This feels just like a massive list. I've been doing script editing for Composer of the Week, recording with them as well, because I'm mainly on the arts and music and drama team, so everything I'm saying is just for one team. I haven't branched into science at all yet because they've stuck me where I am. I've been doing a lot of recordings in the Dal studio, so I've been meeting actors. I actually helped cast actors a few weeks back. At the start I was just sitting in watching how it went, and then as time goes on, for about an hour or two I'll do the producer co-watch job where I follow the scene with a pen and then at the end take the final scenes. And last time I was in there, I'm in there next week for 3 days as a studio manager, so that's exciting, but it's nice interacting with the actors and like talking with the writer, because he was very funny, and correcting people's Welsh dialect, because it's shocking, like every person in that room except the actors were English, and I had to go, no one Welsh should say that. So it's mainly just been like script editing, research, correcting people, and yeah. So the highlights have definitely been working in the drama studio. I'm a drama kid, you know, did it for GCSE, was going to do it for drama, but it clashed with literature, so I went with literature. So being there with the actors, interacting with them, scripting, script editing, it's just, that's all been a highlight, but the research is fun as well. You wouldn't think it because it's research. But it's fun because I get to find things that no one else finds. Like in the Cuban Missile Crisis, I found a draft of what Kennedy would have said if the Cuban Missile Crisis went wrong, and it's just this folder of him going, I can say whatever I want, we're all gonna die, who cares? And finding stuff like that's fun as well, so that's a highlight. So, like I said, next week I've got the drama studio again, which is fun. I've never been studio manager, so they're chucking me in the deep end, so that'll be fun to try. Next year, I know I'm working with the Talkwell team, so that'll be a new experience. Instead of recording like podcasts, prereqs and all that, it'll be live, so that's going to be interesting. They have given us training on how to do live things, but it's exciting to try, you know, actually be part of the live things. Scary, but excited. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so we mainly do placement, and then we'll come back here for like the actual qualification, and you know, it's nice because we'll kind of like, so we were here for 2 weeks last time, and it was nice like just going over the basics, because Unit 1 and Unit 11 were basically the same thing, and Unit 5 was risk assessment, which is stuff you kind of need to know working with all this equipment. So it is beneficial because you learn, even though, you know, you think you'd learn more in your placement actually doing, but you learn quite a bit here, and it's nice to go over in your head just to remind yourself. Also, it's nice to have a qualification, so because we're not guaranteed a job at the end of this, so literally the qualification will take me far. So it's really good to be here.